Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet. In this session, we will be discussing from the 44th verse of the 8th chapter of the first canto of Srimad-Bhagavatam. The prayers of Queen Kunti ended with the 43rd verse. So now Suta Goswami is explaining what happened after Kunti offered her prayers to Krishna, who was leaving Hastinapura in order to go back to Dwaraka. So, Suta Vacha Prithayetham Kalapadai Parinutakhilodayaha Mandam Jahasa Vaikuntho Mohayanniva Mayaya. The meaning of this verse is, Suta Goswami said, the Lord, thus hearing the prayers of Kunti Devi composed in choice words for his glorification, mildly smiled. That smile was as enchanting as his mystic power. So Srila Prabhupada says that in the purport, anything that is enchanting in the world is said to be a representation of the Lord. Ultimately, Krishna is always the source of everything in this world, in the spiritual world, everywhere. He is the ultimate source. Janmadhyasya yataha aham sarvasya prabhavo. So, anything enchanting is a representation of Krishna. Now, the conditioned souls, that means the living entities in this world who are trapped in the illusory energy, they are enchanted by Krishna's mystic powers. But the devotees of Krishna, the pure devotees, are also enchanted in a different way by the glories of Krishna. And for the devotees, Krishna always bestows his blessings. So Srila Prabhupada says, just like Krishna has many energies which work differently. So, Kunti Devi prayed to the Lord just to enunciate a fragment of his glories. The Lord's glories are unlimited because he is unlimited personality. He is the unlimited personality. Everybody else is limited. Only Krishna is unlimited. Now, devotees, when they glorify the Lord, they glorify him with chosen words, kalapadaihi. And therefore, the Lord is known as Uttama Shloka. The best of poetry is composed to describe the Supreme Lord. Uttama Shloka. Now, Srila Prabhupada says one important point here, that any amount of chosen words is not sufficient to enumerate the Lord's glory. Yet, the Supreme Lord is satisfied by the prayers offered by different pure devotees, because the prayers are offered by his beloved devotees, he accepts them. Prabhupada gives an example, just like a father is satisfied even by the broken linguistic attempts of the growing child. This is common experience for us, that when a child speaks in the beginning in a broken language, it's very pleasing to the father. So similarly, even a beginner in Krishna consciousness offers sincere prayers to Krishna. Krishna is pleased with that. But Krishna's devotees who know Krishna, they always offer wonderful prayers which are composed by chosen words. Here in this verse, the word Maya has been used. Maya has got two different meanings. One meaning of the word Maya is delusion or illusion. And another meaning of the word Maya is mercy. Now, in this verse, the word Maya has been used by Sutta Goswami in the sense of mercy. It is the Lord's mercy upon Kunti Devi, who offered wonderful prayers, that Kunti Devi was able to please the Lord by offering him wonderful prayers. So it's a mercy of the Lord that he accepted those prayers, and in return he mildly smiled at Kunti Devi, indicating acceptance of the prayers wonderfully offered by Kunti. So Srila Prabhupada says, if Krishna is pleased and even smiles a little, then the whole universe will be pleased. See, Kunti Devi has pleased the Lord by prayers, and Krishna is pleased by Kunti Devi's prayers. Then Krishna is pleased means the whole universe is pleased. Tasmin tushte jagat tushtihi. If Krishna is pleased or satisfied, then the whole universe will be satisfied. Why? Because whole universe is a part and parcel of Krishna only. Just like it is given elsewhere in the Bhagavatam, pranopaharachya yathendriyana. Just like the parts of the body, they are working. Just like when there is food in the stomach, then the hunger is mitigated and one feels satisfaction. So Srila Prabhupada gives an example here. Even though we have various senses which can be satisfied in different ways by sense gratification, if a person is hungry, then the sense gratification will not work till the hunger is mitigated. Similarly, till Krishna is pleased, you cannot make the whole world happy. Not possible. Now we should always remember Krishna is the central point of this entire creation. And Krishna is also like the root of this manifestation. So just like you water a tree by pouring water at the root of the tree, similarly, by satisfying Krishna, you can satisfy all the others. Krishna declares in the Bhagavad Gita, Aham sarvasya prabhavaha, I am the source of everything. So Krishna being the source, when we please Krishna or satisfy Krishna or make an offering to Krishna, then everyone becomes satisfied. Now Srila Prabhupada further explains that the material creation and the spiritual creation are both creations of Krishna, but they are existing side by side. Even though they are existing side by side, the material creation is another part of the spiritual creation. Just like the cloud in the sky is a creation of the sunshine. Sunshine is not created by the cloud, but cloud is created by the sunshine. So, when the cloud is created by the sunshine, it covers the very sunshine which was the cause of its creation. But actually, can the cloud cover the sun or sunshine? Not possible. The cloud, when it covers our vision. It covers our vision. Similarly, Maya means absence of Krishna consciousness. So when you forget Krishna, that is Maya. And that's a condition of all the living beings in this world who are taken birth by force of karma. They are forgetful of Krishna. Therefore, they are in Maya. In this material world, Krishna is all pervading. He has entered into every atom, he has entered into everybody's heart. Why are we unable to see Krishna who sits in our heart? Because we have been covered by the illusion of Maya. That's the only reason. So, when we come to Krishna consciousness, then there is no more Maya. No more Maya. Now Srila Prabhupada says another important point. Offering prayers to Supreme Lord means offering prayers with feelings. We are person. Krishna is the Supreme Person. So there is an exchange between the devotee and the Lord. What is that exchange? That exchange is that we offer prayers to Krishna feelingly. So, Srila Prabhupada is telling us that Krishna is Uttama Shloka, glorified by the choicest poetry. But all these poems or all these songs or all these creations are actually full of meaning. And very beautifully composed. And many prayers are there because Krishna has so many devotees and they offer wonderful prayers. So we should learn these prayers, and following the footsteps of great devotees like Kunti, we should offer such prayers to Krishna. That will be pleasing to Krishna. I'll stop here. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.